My mother was an excellent cook and baker. We would have chicken soup with knedels and stuff like that. And she did a lot of baking on Friday. And I used to she had these little packages that I would deliver to some of my aunts that lived in the neighborhood. And we also delivered a package to the Lucias, who were Italian, that lived in that private house next to us. So, she just felt strong. And my mother she was really a farm girl, so she would, when I came home from school, from public school, if she wasn't in the house, the first thing I did was go to the Lucias, and she'd be helping the grandfather with the garden. He didn't speak a word of English, so she had to learn a few words of Italian. And then when Christmas would roll around, I was always invited to go up and see the tree, and my parents were all in favor of it. And my mother would say, remember, it's a religious holiday, but it's also a family holiday, so don't stay too long. So that was never, and my mother was invited to their two daughters' weddings, which at the church, which she went to, and my father. See, in those days, I could tell you a little about the Catholic Church. They didn't allow some of their students to go to a bar mitzvah, to go to a temple. You probably know that. So when I was bar mitzvahed, my friends, we couldn't afford to have a famous major party, but was also in the apartment. They were all invited, and they sat at the table with the maid table. My mother would say, "These are your friends; they should be up front with you." But they didn't go to the service because the church. They all went to parochial schools, and I think it was forbidden. Or you had to get a special consent from the priest or something. I think I'm not going back a long time.